Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Studio if it keeps crashing. Let's get started. First, open Windows Search. Search for Roblox Studio. Right-click it. Then click Run as administrator. If Roblox Studio still crashes, open Windows Search. Search for Virus and Threat Protection. Open it. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. If Controlled Folder Access is enabled, click Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Then click Add an allowed app. Select Browse all apps. Find Roblox Studio. Then add it to the allowed apps. Now try opening Roblox Studio again. If the problem still isn't fixed, open Control Panel. Click Uninstall a program. Find Roblox Studio. Right-click it. Then click Uninstall. After it's removed, open your web browser. Search for Roblox Studio. Open the official Roblox website. Download the latest version. Then install it again. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. Then launch Roblox Studio again. Hopefully the crashing issue is now fixed. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.